Hey Josh, I heard the weather's gonna be pretty bad outside. Want a drink?
Lucas, what do you want me to do about it?
Okay, well, maybe later on let me read something, huh?
Lucas, let me explain something to you. Whenever you come in here and you hear me typing, you're interrupting me, you're breaking my concentration, you're distracting me, and then it'll take me time to get back to where I was.
Oh, okay.
Now we're gonna make a new rule. Whenever you come in here and hear me typing, or whatever the fuck you hear me doing in here, whenever I'm in here, that means I'm working. That means don't come in. Now, do you think you can handle that?